Greetings one and all. To begin this plantain porridge, I put some cinnamon leaves in a pot of water to boil up to get the essence of the cinnamon leaves into the water. And then I move on to peeling, slicing, blending some plantain with about a cup of water. After it is blended smoothly, we want to blend it out very smooth. So after it is blended, we're going to just pour this into the pot of boiling water and allow it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. After around 8 minutes, we're going to prepare the second part of this porridge, which is the oats part, right? And we're adding 2 cups of coconut milk in our blender with about a half a cup of oats. We're blending it to a very smooth consistency, then pour it right into the plantain and allow it to cook for another 7 minutes approximately. We want to keep our heat on medium, low to medium heat, and maintain a constant stir. It don't have to be consistent, but we don't want to leave the porridge just on the stove boiling like that. We want to keep it stirring. So onto the last phase of this is to add in the spices and the sweetening. So we're just adding some regular island spices, nutmeg, vanilla, some cinnamon powder, a little salt, sugar, and then we're going to turn the heat off and add in some vanilla, and that is it. And now serve this and enjoy it with those that you love. And make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful or delightful in any way. Thank you so much for stopping by. All the best to you. Eat well, walk good. That is it. A beautiful bowl of creamy plantain porridge, green plantain porridge. All the essential spices and flavorings here. So enjoy this one. Thank you. If you would like to purchase some cinnamon leaves from Ital Kitchen's Etsy store, click on the link in the description below. Much love.